first day of a basement remodel. Excellent collaboration. Mulhall Maintenance Services, Moeller LLC. We're going to get it done.
Welcome to Mulhall Maintenance Services, your trusted partner in turning dreams into reality. Since 2017, we've been the heart of craftsmanship in Hunter, Ohio. At Mulhall Maintenance Services, we take pride in our dedication to excellence. From renovations to maintenance, custom woodwork to excavation, we're your one-stop solution for both residential and commercial needs. Our commitment goes beyond bricks and mortar. We understand that tackling large projects can be daunting. That's where we come in. We have a unique ability to ease the stress of any project, making the journey as smooth as the final result. What sets us apart is not just the quality of our work, but the relationships we build. We work closely with our clients, ensuring every project, big or small, is a collaborative success. Precision, passion, and high-quality finish work are the cornerstones of Mulhall Maintenance Services. We bring your vision to life with meticulous attention to detail and a commitment to excellence. When you choose Mulhall Maintenance Services, you're not just getting a service, you're gaining a partner. Your dream project is our mission. Mulhall Maintenance Services, transforming spaces, creating dreams. Contact us today and let's build something amazing together.